Three students, if you can please light a candle. Let's start with Elle first. Ambassador of Jews, Elle is a great-grandchild of a Holocaust surviving family. Elle is choosing to do good in the world by visiting sick children before they go into surgery and when they're in hospital. Thank you, Elle, for commemorating 1 million Jews. Stay there, please. Rachel Dubin, whose families survived Ukraine ghettos, is choosing to do good in the world by having a yard sale, all in honor of the Desire to Inspire Foundation, which looks after children in Africa. Thank you, Rachel. Rachel is also selling bracelets for that foundation so that she can raise money for children in Africa. Thank you, Rachel. Meital Negrin, or Mei Negrin, thank you for honoring 1 million Jews. Meital is choosing also to do her Bat Mitzvah project, and when I speak to you face to face, you'll tell us also how you choose to do good, but also a great-grandchild of Holocaust survivors. Thank you for coming. Dr. Gold, you should have come first, I'm sorry. Would you please light a candle and commemorate those 1 million Jews, and if somebody can take a picture of those 6 million. Dr. Gold.